moment. Boy, and I have loved you through every season of our lives. And through it all, my heart has never wavered. Lagi pa din akong kinikilig sa'yo. Kahit sa mga simpleng bagay na ginagawa mo. From simple to corny jokes hanggang sa mga kulitan moments natin, andun lagi yung kilig sa puso ko. Yung pag-uusap natin mula pagkagising hanggang bago matulog. Kahit naabutin tayo ng madaling araw kung ano-anong pinag-uusapan natin kasi sobrang daldal nating dalawa. Sini-cherish ko yun. Andun lagi yung kilig. Kaya siguro nagtagal din tayo ng more than nearly 15 years. And to be honest, we may never agree on most things. Pero at the end of the day and night, alam mo kung ano yung pinagpapasalamat ko? Kasi nagagawa natin mag-sorry at I love you sa isa't isa. Yung pag niyakap mo lang ako, it says it all. Kaya nga diba, you'd say it best when you say nothing at all. Boy, eto ang magpapromise ko sa'yo. I promise and vow to keep laughing with you even if your jokes are terrible. I vow to support your dreams and passion, even the ones that sound a little crazy. I promise to be your safe place. I promise to be your biggest fan and the person who would always know that you would always adore tea over coffee. Boy, lagi mong tatandaan, ikaw ang pinaka-paborito kong hello. My hardest goodbye and everything in between. Minahal kita nearly 15 years ago. I love you now at mamahalin ka pa sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Sa lahat ng season, ipaparamdam ko sa'yo na deserve mong mahalin. Bakit? Kasi sobra ka din magbigay ng pagmamahal. We work better when we are together. Ikaw ang lakas ko, at ako din ang lakas mo. Ikaw ang weakness ko, at ako din ang weakness mo. I feel safe when I hear your voice. And I feel safe when I see your face. Thank you kasi even after 15 years, napapasaya mo at napapakalma mo ang kalooban ko. Sobrang daming memories pa ang bubuuin natin. From simple dates to traveling the world, magkasama tayo. Kahit ugod-ugod na tayo, magta-travel tayo. Promise ko sa'yo, I will hold your hand as we stroll our favorite places together. And I promise na kapag mahirap or masaya man ang buhay, lagi mo akong kasama. Nakasupport sa'yo, lagi nakahawak sa kamay mo. And I know, boy, that marriage is not a fairy tale. It is a story. It is a story that we will have to write every day.